Established in 1913, the Strathmore paper mill was one of the largest at its time. At over 230,000 square feet, the building itself takes up over 5 acres of land. To put that into perspective, that's 4 football fields in size. In 1994, Strathmore closed down the mill and was put up for sale. Over the years, after several other attempts to use the building, the mill was auctioned off in 2019. Only one bidder took interest and it was purchased for $15,000. But soon after, a large fire broke out. And sadly, several more fires occurred at the mill over a few months period and the plans were stalled, ultimately leaving the mill officially abandoned in 2022.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Pachasik Road.
I think the bridge is safe.
This is a tight bridge.
Hey, there's a big puddle. Anywho, the rain stopped.
No, it didn't.
No, it definitely didn't.
You definitely slowed down.
I'm already wet.
Well, we were just hit with a nice little rainstorm, so everything's soaked out here now, but nice. We already found a hole.
Sorry, storm.
I think it's pretty safe to say that we're gonna get a little wet. We got a big old RV right here. We're in. There looks to be a lot of levels to this place. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was, so I'm not even sure where to start with this. Well, we got no floor here. Well, we made it on the rooftop, but we gotta have to be a little quiet because there's a road right over there. So we gotta get up this ladder here, but the issue is that there's a big hole right under it. Gonna try not to fall to the roof here.
How do you know any of this roof is safe? Then why are we doing it?
We're trying to make it up to the top of the tower here. Another set of stairs. Almost there. These things are steep. Alright, we made it to the top, but the whole floor in this room looks like completely rotted out. Definitely not gonna stand on that because under us, it's a long way down. That's probably a good 150 feet probably. And the whole structure over here on this side looks like it's like tipping right off. So fun climb, but we're not going any higher.
She's short.
So this big building here that we were just in, I believe is the whole powerhouse for it. And then we're actually making our way over to the factory right behind us. There's a ton more here that we could explore, but we're gonna keep moving and see what else we can find. So you can see where the fire was here recently because there's an imprint on the wall of where the stairs were. And now there's no way up there. We're just kind of stuck in a creepy dark basement right now, trying to figure out where to go next. Oh, that was wet. Where's pretty spooky? Caution, wet floors. Yeah, thanks. Wow. Oh, what are you doing over there? I was wondering where you guys went. What the? What are you doing in here? The sound room. Yeah, don't close that. It's like a big blender or something like that. Huh? I can't even hear you. This room is the echo chamber. You probably can't hear a word of what we're saying in here. It's crazy how much echo there is. It's a boy! Hazardous waste accumulation area. Probably shouldn't be in here. No. These are like little jail cells that they have. I'm expecting to find a dinosaur or a demogorgon or something.
It's your biggest fan.
Tunnel snake. I don't like that. I'm not sure I want to go down a hallway that says they have a tunnel snake in here. It's a creeper.
Listen, I'm just trying to survive here.
Oh, goofy.
You look goofy.
Buttons. Happy 30th birthday. How many calories is in a piece of chocolate? Who cares? What a goofball. Whoa, that's sus. If you're looking for fun, follow me.
That couch ain't looking too good. Oh, vending machine.
Hey, soda pop in there?
Oh, those are showers. Who's knocking? Oh, I feel like I'm getting cancer in this room. I don't know. Oh, I just blinded myself too. Can't see. It's very dark.
What the heck is that? Paintbrush.
Oh, that's a quality paintbrush.
$2.49.
Well, maybe not that quality.
Anybody thirsty?
Yeah, there's a bunch of nail polishes and stuff over here. We found all of like the office building rooms and we're walking on like 2 inches of water right now. This is gross. This is the second floor too, so slightly concerning that there's this much water on the second floor. What is the powerhouse bus? Ooh, turn on the turbines. Found the keys. Found Frankenstein. It's a big basketball. Whoa. Lifelong supply of paper here. Oh wow. Okay, so we made it to the main part of the factory here, and this is definitely where most of the fire damage is. There's some stacks of paper. These are like postcards. This room has a bunch of the old... Oh, I just got tripped on right in the head. That was gross. This room has a bunch of the old paper equipment. I don't even know what you'd call that. Paper machinery? Paper making machinery. This whole room is just collapsed, scorched. You can see over here, the whole side of this building is just caved in. Wow, well, we've been wandering around in the dark for a while now. Finally made it up to the second floor of the main building. We can at least see what's left of here, but the fire definitely got to it pretty bad. This whole half of the building is just gone. Just piles of melted metal. This used to be one of the world's biggest paper mills, and now there's not much left to it.
Don't worry, I'm forklift certified.
Bunch of garbage. Rolled up paper.
Look at that hole.
So what you're saying is that if I got in this hole, you don't gotta get out?
No.
Nationwide designer side.
What the heck is wrong with her?
This thing, if I got in this hole, there's no way I could get back out. Oh, jeez.
I don't know, it's probably like if you put a garbage can over there, you probably...
So now you have to get out.
Wow, slick.
There's no grip on that at all.
Too easy. I'm covering glitter though.
Why is there so much glitter in here? Look at that. It's like glitter and soot.
That was the worst way to do that.
All right, we're out of here. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next adventure.
Yeah.
You